Hi, welcome to week 6. I know most of you are really deep into your student teaching now, and so the step assignment asks you to start to document what you're doing in your classroom. This week you're going to deal with assessments and data, and these are two of the driving influences in education: gathering data on student performance through assessments, a wide variety of assessments. So let's begin by looking at the assignment for this week. You are going to design a pre and post assessment, and you're going to implement those. So as it says, you want to work with your cooperating teacher. Arrange with your cooperating teacher to mentor, to administer the pre-assessment to the students in your class. After administering, answer the questions in step standard 3. So let's look at that. Now the step document is an ongoing, you build it throughout the course. So you are going to turn in the document, the entire document, and everything we filled in up to this point. And so the step standard 3, copy and paste the pre-assessment you plan to use to assess the student's knowledge. Once you've assessed your students' knowledge on the topic, collect and analyze the pre-assessment, determine if you need to modify. So this is the pre-test, and then the number of students who exceed pre-test. And then the post-assessment, copy and paste the post-assessment you plan to use with that. So you're not going to be able to do that. You won't have that done. You're going to do the pre-assessment, put all that in here, analyze it, and then you're going to copy and paste the post-assessment you plan to use. So pre-assessment, gather data, put the post-assessment here. Now, creating assessments is so delicate. The chapter in your textbook, Designing Assessments, that you're asked to read, really a good one. Also, collaborating with your cooperating teacher. Now, there's some flexibility here. You may not be able to give this pre-assessment right away, so if you have to wait to give it, let me know, but work with your cooperating teacher so you can complete step 3. Now the question for this week is, why is assessment critical to instruction? Cite examples of assessment techniques from your lessons that worked or didn't work. What are the processes in place in your student teaching to assess student learning? So these really work together. A great week on assessment, and I look forward to your progress in this.